what inspired you to join real estate?
I never planned to join real estate.
So do you think that money is everything?
पैसा है तो सब कुछ है. Your relatives, your friends, your family.
To today's generation, what is that one message that you would like to give to them?
Current situation बहुत different है Gen Z's की. Mental health.
Yeah.
So I heard this recently in next 2-3 years.
So would you like to give me some example on time management?
There is a short story.
Where do we see Sajan maybe 10 years from now?
Look, I haven't ever planned my life.
Who are more punctual?
If I talk about females, they are more aggressive nowadays.
You know, at times we feel very pressurized in our brain, in our heart. So ever you felt that way?
क्या आज लोग कहते हैं हम demotivate हो गए, we are demotivated. When you come from such a family background, when you know the hardships of life, do anyone has that power to demotivate you?
So एक ना saying है that miles to go before I sleep. तो जो इंसान बहुत मेहनत करता है या उसको कुछ अचीव करना है लाइफ में, जिसके विजन मिशन काफी बड़े होते हैं, तुम सो रहे हो बट वो सोते टाइम भी नींद में भी वो थॉट आ रहा है दैट माइल्स टू गो बिफोर आई स्लीप.
Right.
So that is a kind of saying that I would love to share with all the millennials and Gen Z's crowd, that if you have a vision, a proper vision, and if you really want to do it, you will do it.
Yes. Current situation बहुत different है Gen Z's की. If you talk about, I don't know they are right or wrong. Look, I don't know. अभी एक बहुत common वो चल रहा है mental health.
Yeah.
So I heard this recently in next 2-3 years. Mental health, if I used to talk to my parents like this, they used to like मुझे इतनी मार पड़ती.
Whacking everywhere.
What is mental health, man? I agree that कुछ होता है mental health, but what is mental health? Is it about money? Like if you like, so for example, if a person is working, like आज उसे काम करना है, काम के उसे पैसे मिल रहे हैं. Morning, early morning, a person messages me, a 21-year-old guy or a 22-year-old guy. He messages me, so my mental health is not well today, so I won't be able to come to office. What is this? Mental health is not, like, I didn't understood. Then I researched for this. Then it is a very common thing which is coming into the Gen Z generation, that people they're very emotional. They are very they are keen to, they want to earn money. They have fascinating dreams also, but they don't want to work on the hard path. They want easy money, like something like crypto or something like short trading. Say they want money from something like this. They don't want to work hard. So it is not from one person, I'm saying. I had plenty of people I'm recruiting since last 12 years, 10 to 12 years, and I can tell you the recruitments which we are doing since last 2.5, 3 years, their mindset is completely different. They want to
Yeah.
do innovative things. They get bored very easily. So if they don't get money in 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, they quit the job. Leave the job, they quit the industry. They quit the industry. The retail person will go in pharma will come into real estate, and a technical guy would ready to do sell insurance. So they can do anything. So but they want money, very fast money. So this is not the way how it works. Suppose आप tell me that suppose you are into a hospitality industry,
Right.
and suppose one night you feel that नहीं यार hospitality तो छोड़ना है. After 4 years, 5 years working, or suppose after 1 year working also, you think that hospitality छोड़ना है. So do you think that in any other industry you will get a same position, same designation?
Absolutely not. Experience है ही नहीं.
Right.
See, if you see a journey, you understand how you reached at this position where you are.
Right.
अब तुमने वो जर्नी अगर जिया ही नहीं है, तुमको कैसे पता चलेगा? Again, you're starting from zero.
Zero.
It's basically you have completed your bachelor's and again you have to start with some job opportunity.
Yes. I know people, those who have left the job, and I met them after 2.5 years. Due to some coincidentally, I met them somewhere in the market or somewhere in the mall. I asked them that, where are you? So when I talk to them, I come to know they have changed the 7th company in 3 years, or 8 companies in 3
Right.
years. So that is like they are not doing good to their career. कुछ नहीं होने वाला उनका. They are just satisfied that they just get some small perks from the company. They just want to work. They want good environment. In interviews, I recently had a interview with a person who was in Reliance, and I listened the story. This is very interesting story.
Okay.
He had an experience of 14 years. His package was somewhere around 25 lakhs per annum, and his expectation was 30, 32. I was okay with it. I said, okay. I met him for 3 times. Once I met him in the Starbucks, and 2 times I met him at the office. Now in the last meeting, I finalized everything. I was okay. He said, I have few queries about the job. I said, go ahead. He asked me about the things, and now what he asked was, after 14 years of experience, on this question I rejected him. Just on the questions, I had the answers, but on this questions I rejected him, though he was okay with everything. Then also he said me that how many leaves are there in the company, because in sales there are no leaves. Look, I'll be very frank.
In a
If
way,
if a
yeah.
person, in a way, there are no leaves. If a person is asking for the leaves, and that too on a team head position, wherein I expect my team under him not to take any leaves, and the team head is asking for the leaves, not to take any leaves means they can just take a week off, but not a continuity off, not a sandwich leave or something. So I don't want that kind of things. So he's asking me, chalo leave tak bhi okay tha. I told him week off. He said, there are how many sick leaves? I said, okay. So I told that there are no sick leaves or such in the company, in the organization. He said, okay, there are no sick leaves. Oh, how many there are how many urgent leaves? Means I told him that you know that you are going to get sick. You know that you will need some urgent leaves. No, in case I'm just asking it. He didn't wanted to negotiate on the salary part, and he was the last 30 minutes I'd never heard about the leaves, that kind of leaves he was asking. Then I told him that, okay, I'll get back to you. So he said, do I need to sign the offer or something? I said, I'll tell you, I'll get back to you. So I rejected that person, because the sales industry is not on leaves. I'll tell you, I have been working in the since last 12 14 years. It's more than 14 years. So it is not about me. I have seen successful people, those who never take leaves. What is leave? Leave if you need some time for yourself or something. We are going on business trips. We are going on vacation. Do you think we work for 12 hours when we go out of country or for some business? No, we work for 4 hours, 5 hours, and then we have our own time. So that is the leave. What I think so. And in week off, people take week off also. I say that's okay. But and on a level, when you are on a managerial level, when you are on a top management level, I don't think so leaves are necessary, and that shouldn't be a part of your questions in the interviews as well.
See, but don't you think that probably, see, we cannot say that maybe leaves are not a part or they are a part, but for certain people, they just want to balance the work that they are doing. Probably want to go on a vacation. Though I understand this concept of urgent leaves, तो ये मुझे भी नहीं समझा. मतलब last 17 साल में मुझे नहीं लगता कुछ urgent. Like I have heard about that urgent leave kind of a thing. But see, there are a lot of people who wants to balance out the things.
Right.
But then you cannot give priority to money. कहीं ना कहीं क्योंकि वो compromise situation आ जाता है उसमें. Right? So see, certain these kind of questions on casual leave and sick leave, they will always gonna come. Because there are many corporate companies also who are promising these kind of leaves and are giving them.
Yes.
So it solely upon the company's discretion.
Might be, yes.
Or it depends. And also secondly, it depends on industry to industry. अब जब पूरा दुनिया सैटरडे संडे को आराम करता है, रियल एस्टेट इंडस्ट्री उस दिन सबसे ज्यादा काम करता है.
Right.
So I have a friend. So every Saturday Sunday when there's a leave in my company, sorry. So I always tell her ki let's catch up for a coffee, and she's like, no Pratishtha, I'm very busy today because we have some showings today.
Right. True.
And this has been happening for the last 6-7 years. So ultimately, I have to take out time sometime in the week and go all over from one place to another, like 1.5 hour journey, and catch up with her and then come. But रियल एस्टेट में तो भाई सैटरडे संडे सबसे ज्यादा काम होता है, ये फैक्ट है. क्योंकि आप घर बेच रहे हो ना, जिसको खरीदना है वो तो सैटरडे संडे ही फ्री है.
Very true. It's an automobile also. It's
Absolutely.
an automobile. If a person wants to buy a
Exactly.
car,
High value products, they
yes,
go
high
छुट्टी
value
के दिन.
products. Yes,
Correct.
they have Saturday Sunday time they have, and they are going to buy. अब मैं बात बताता हूँ जो what I feel when I take interviews. There are a lot of companies coming into the organization. So जब college campuses होते हैं, so all interviews and GDPR, everything is over. I tell in the induction everyone that if you have 3 offer letters, don't select my offer letter. Select the 3rd offer letter if the person is giving you leave, because बच्चों के questions होते हैं leave के. So Pratishtha, I have always searched for that kind of people, those who are 100% committed to the work, not even 99.99%. though I have to select out of 100 people, I have to select 2 people, that's okay, but I want that kind of people. So how I think commitment is, if a person it is something like leave सबको चाहिए होती है, leaves is like something सब लेते हैं, that's okay, fine, but I want that वो लीव भी वो उस तरीके से ले जिससे मुझे कमिटमेंट दिखे. That is what I don't think so that वो किसी का business justify
I
करेगा.
agree completely
But the
with you.
punctuality,
हाँ.
like suppose you have to, I say that okay, your parents are not well, he's saying I have to go, I said okay, you can go. I don't think for a second time in that. But now his parents are not well, he told me one day, he took the other day also, understandable. Now he took the third day also, this is not understandable now. Now he's not serious for the work, right? Because work is priority 80%, 90% of the time, there has to be work, because work is paying you, right?
Right, absolutely.
Your parents are well, your family is unwell, I agree, I understand your emotional point also, but then also that's going to happen good with your money only, right? पैसा जहां से आ रहा है वो सोर्स को आप स्टॉप नहीं कर सकते. एंड एनी सेल्स इंडस्ट्री, नॉट अबाउट रियल एस्टेट, if you break your pipeline, which is your follow-up pipeline, you
It is
are
gone.
never going to get that.
True.
In this 14 years of career, I haven't seen a customer calling me and saying, साजन आप भूल गए कॉल करना और मेरे को आपको कॉल करना था, आपने कॉल क्यों नहीं किया कि मैं तो प्रॉपर्टी खरीदने आने वाला था, या आई वांटेड वी हैड ए शो टुडे. कभी नहीं हुआ ऐसा. ऐसा कैसे होगा? कस्टमर के पास तो देयर आर 20 पीपल, वो किसी को वो लोग कॉल कर रहे हैं, फॉलो अप कर रहे हैं, व्हाई द हेल ही इज गोइंग टू कॉल यू? वो तो कॉल नहीं करेगा ना. सो इन दैट 3 days और 4 days जिसकी छुट्टी होगी, वो मेरी पूरी टीम की पाइपलाइन खत्म कर देगा.
नहीं, वो बात
एक्चुअली
तो
उसकी
सही.
टीम की.
कंटिन्यूटी अगर आपका ब्रेक हो रहा है, सो इट इज समवेयर क्रिएटिंग दैट हिंड्रेंस.
राइट
दैट इज फॉर श्योर.
राइट राइट.
आई गिव वेरी नाइस एग्जांपल. देखो आज का जो जनरेशन है, बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो थोड़े से लेथार्जिक है, बट देर आर सर्टेन पीपल हु आर रियली वेरी visionary, I would say.
Right.
Like we have one girl in our company, so she is studying right now with Narsi Monji Institute,
Great.
and we took her as a freelancer
Acha.
last year,
Okay.
and for the last 1 year she's been performing so well.
It's in hospitality, right? You're talking about.
Yes, for
Yes,
hospitality, for
hospitality.
managing social media, photography,
Okay,
you know,
okay.
those kind of things,
Okay.
digital marketing, ads. And this year, now December month, her examinations are going on, and we've already given her an offer letter.
Nice.
She is so dedicated. She doesn't care if it is a Saturday or a Sunday, whatever. काम है तो मुझे करना है.
टच शूट कर दो, छोड़ जाएगी वो.
अंशिता डोंट गो. एक उसका बेस्ट एग्जांपल बताती हूँ. सो हर फादर ही सफर्ड अ स्ट्रोक couple of months back. उसके डैड को स्ट्रोक आया, उसके एग्जामिनेशंस चल रहे थे, प्लस शी हैड द वर्क ऑफ फ्रीलांसिंग आल्सो दैट शी टुक, बट उसने वो तीनों चीजें मैनेज किया.
वाओ.
आई वाज नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड, एंड आई वाज टेलिंग हर कि भाई तुम थोड़ा धीरे धीरे, हौले हौले बोलते ना, थोड़ा सा आराम से, टेक इट इजी. शी इज लाइक नहीं मैम, करना है तो करना है.
Right.
Now where this thing came into her, it's not that she started thinking. Actually it was her mother, because her mother is also working with a very good organization, a multinational company, and even mom was also working when her husband was hospitalized.
Oh.
So
okay.
see, जैसे हम कहते हैं ना, authority, responsibility, everything flows from the
Flows
top.
from the top.
So the same way जो संस्कार होते हैं बच्चों के, या
I agree.
what you want your kids to be, or how kids look up to the parents, everything flows from the
Flows
top.
from the top.
So this was such a beautiful example, and she's such a lovely girl. Again, don't leave her, please. That's quite a so see, and secondly, time management भी कुछ लोग बहुत अच्छा करते हैं. So would you like to give me some example on time management की, कभी कुछ client के साथ some meeting related, you know, काफी बारी ऐसा होता है, you know.
Yes. It was like there is a short story. One of my client, Ritu Tiwari, she was heading she's still heading in, she's in HUL and on a managerial position. She was president at that time.
Wow.
So in 2012. So I was very new to NCR. मतलब मुझे NCR के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं था उस टाइम पे. And I had a bike, as I told you, 2011. That was 2011, yes.
Okay.
So I had a bike. So now वो paper ad से एक call आया था मेरे पास. We had a project named JP Greens. So JP Crescent Homes and JP Casa Isles and whatever. So the product name was that. So suddenly मेरे पास call आया था and I took it very lightly. मेरी बात हुई. In fact, the call came to my team head. मेरे team head पे call आया था. He passed the lead to me that he told me that अब तू बात कर ले. So I said okay, and I started talking to her, and she told me that we want to see the apartment and when can we it can be showcased to us. So I said you can come today only. They said no, we are free on the Sundays. So they were very punctual about the time. So she came in the morning, somewhere around 9:30 was the time. She came, she saw came with her husband. So उन्होंने देखा and उन्होंने बोला okay fine, now we'll get back to you. Now after 3 days I was following up with her, and after 3 days she told me that Friday को सुबह आप गुड़गांव आ जाइए. There was a golf estate where she used to play golf early in the morning. So she told me that आप Friday सुबह 4:30 to 5 के बीच में. I said AM ma'am, yes. She said yes AM. So 5 o'clock आप आ जाइए, because after that 7 o'clock I start for my breakfast and then I go to office. I said okay. Then so you have to come at 5 o'clock. Don't make it late after 5. So I said okay. She was very punctual. In fact, I think I care for time too much after that incident, उस incident के बाद. So I asked my TL के कैसे कैसे जाना है. उसने बोला ये तो रहा गुड़गांव, and I was in Noida. So I said I didn't knew where is गुड़गांव, कुछ नहीं पता था. उन्होंने बोला ये तो रहा गुड़गांव. I said okay. बोला कितना टाइम लगेगा? 1 घंटा लग जाएगा. And early morning if you will leave, उसने बोला 1 घंटा ही लगेगा. I said okay. Now early morning when I left, I didn't know anything. GPS नहीं होता था तब, पहली बात तो. There was no GPS, there was no Google. Google तो था but Google का कोई GPS कोई कुछ नहीं था. So we used to, so मुझे मैं पूछते पहुंच गया. Client called me at 4:45. Sajan, where have you reached? So मैं इतना भोंदू था उस टाइम पे. I didn't knew anything. So I was in Delhi and Gurgaon somewhere near to Gurgaon. So वहाँ लिखा था pedestrian crossing. So I said that ma'am pedestrian crossing पे हूँ. So she started laughing. Sajan, there are thousands of pedestrian crossing. Which pedestrian crossing? Where are you? So I said ma'am यहाँ तो pedestrian crossing लिखा है, मैं red light पे खड़ा हूँ. So she said if you are coming in 15 minutes or else I'll have to leave. So I said no ma'am, I'm coming. So I reached at 5:15. 5:15 पे पहुंचा मैं, पूछते एंड आई वॉज वेयरिंग अ शर्ट. उसके ऊपर एक शर्ट, ठीक है, क्योंकि वो शर्ट उल्टी शर्ट पहनी थी वो, क्योंकि वो शर्ट गंदी हो जाएगी तो अंदर वाली शर्ट वाइट शर्ट थी मेरी. सो अंदर उसके लिए एक उल्टी शर्ट पहनी थी. तो आई रैप दैट शर्ट, उसको बैग में डाला, बैग को टांगा वहां पर, एंड आई रैंड इनसाइड विद द ब्रोशर एंड एवरीथिंग. सो शी वॉज कमिंग आउट. शी टोल्ड साजन यू आर 15 minutes late. So मैंने बोला कि मैम आई एम कमिंग फर्स्ट फॉर टाइम फॉर द गुड़गांव टू गुड़गांव. शी सेड ओके, तो क्या हुआ? तो आई हैव माय ओन टाइमिंग, सो यू लीव टुडे, आई कैन नॉट मीट यू टुडे. सो अब 5:15 मॉर्निंग में आई वाज लाइक, she told me that, and there were 2-3 more people with her, and उनके जो golf cart carry करने वाले, and she was a president, so anyway she was on a very good level. So she said that don't worry, I'll give you time for the next weekend and next week, and you can come and you can. So but generally हमें ये सिखाया जाता था ट्रेनिंग में that अगर एक बारी आपने client lose कर दिया तो it's very hard to get it for the second time. Now I went, मुझे कोई नहीं, मैं morning I left from there and I reached the office and I started. I told the entire story to my team head. He was least worried. अरे कोई और client मिल जाएगा, छोड़ना. So he was least worried about it. Now I again started calling to people, and now after 2 days she messaged me that next Friday be on time at 4:30 sharp. So
Golf court? Again?
yes, again the same place.
Wow.
So she told me, and I was so happy. And now this time I leave at 1 o'clock in the night.
Kudos
And
to that.
yes, and I was waiting from 3:30 outside the place, and she, like, I was waiting on the bike, and I was waiting. That 3:30 बजे से मैं wait कर रहा था. The moment it was 4:30, I went and parked the bike. I messaged ma'am, I reached. So she was
Kudos
like,
to that.
yes. And that day
Wow.
and today, I never ever was like, कभी मुझे punctuality में कोई issue आया ही नहीं. And I thought that punctuality is the main thing. which is very, very important. Punctuality is very important. I cracked a deal of 4.5 crore, and that was my first crore deal. Like till then, I didn't crack that big deal. And my team heads, my ADs and directors, they were so happy that you brought the deal. I made such a good PR with that lady. She gave me more than 7 references, 7 sales, in fact, in her family, in her friend circle, because she was from a very influential background. So she had influential crowd. Like आपने सुना होगा जैसे हम होते हैं, जैसे लोगों के साथ उठते बैठते हैं, that kind of people we
वैसे ही
have.
हम बनने
So
लगे।
she had a very good circle. Still she's in touch with me. She was वो मुझे हमेशा remind कराती थी. I had a tone of Sai Baba on my collar tune at that time. So she used to call me. She said, Sajan, I like calling you. तुम्हारी वो साईं बाबा की tone आती है. I really like that. So one day, by any chance, the tone went off, and some English song came in. So she called me 3-4 times. Why did you change your tone, man? So I was like, मैम अभी लगाता हूँ ना मैं फिर से. So she was like, and I have many such clients. They are still in touch with me. So you can say that I even know what their kids are doing, what their husband is doing, in what business they are. I know each and everything about my clients. They are not my clients now. They are more like family members. So पंक्चुअलिटी तो होनी चाहिए. मतलब टाइम की तो ये मैं बहुत ऐसी बहुत सारी स्टोरीज है, बट दिस इज वन ऑफ द स्टोरीज विच मेड मी लर्न हाउ टाइम वर्क्स.